Alright kids, let's finish up strong. We have the last section here. Find the slope through the following points. So we have 2 points. When we have the 2 points, we use the slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I'm going to practice using the calculator with this one, which means I just need to label and then set up my equation, and I can put it in the calculator, and the calculator will do the work for me. So label x1, y1, x2, y2. Then I need to set up my equation. In this case, y2 is 10, y1 is negative 10, x2 is negative 3, x1 is 12. Okay? So I'm going to use my calculator here to, let's see if I can get that in a place where you can see it. Let's move this up. That's going to have to do. So alpha y equals, enter, creates, where's it good? Sorry, there we go. We'll plug this in exactly the way it is, parentheses and all. Negative 10. On the bottom, I have parentheses negative 3 minus 12. Okay, make sure that matches my formula. Enter. My slope is going to be negative 4 over 3. So m equals negative 4 over 3. Same thing for the other one. I've got, this is kind of goofy. I have 0.2 and 11. My slope is 4. So actually my slope is just going to be 4. No math to do there. It's kind of a tricky question. Okay. All right, moving on to the last page, the last 3 problems. There's not very many of them, but they're mostly taking up space by having big graphs and big tables and stuff like that. So it wants us to find the slope of the table, find the slope of the graph. Okay, using the table, we are going to choose 2 points and find the change of x, or sorry, change of y over change of x. So I'm just going to, they're all positive, which makes it nice and easy for us. There are no decimals, nothing weird. So I'm just going to find the first change. From 4 to 8 is a change of plus 4. That is my change of x. From 5 to 4, that's a change of minus 1. That is my change of y. So this becomes, change of y is negative 1. Change of x is 4. So my slope is negative 1/4. For number 22, it's a line on a graph, so we just need to find the pretty points and rise and run. Now, look at that. It gives us pretty points. So all we need to do is draw the triangle and count. So I'm going to draw my triangle this way and this way. Now, starting on the left, my triangle goes downward 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. Down is a negative direction, so it's going to be minus 4. And then we go to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots. Right is a positive direction, so my slope is going to be negative 4 over 6. Now I can reduce that. These are both divisible by 2, so my slope is going to actually equal negative 2 over 3. Okay, that's going to be the slope for number 22. 23 says, Mallory often babysits her neighbor's children. She charges an initial fee plus a certain amount per child as shown in the table at right. Bam. Find the slope, then describe what it means. There is nothing different between doing this problem and doing this problem. So all of our numbers are positive. Let's go ahead and find our changes here. From 1 to 2 is a change of plus 1. The first column is always x. So that's my change of x. We're going to go across to the same volume, same 2 rows over here. From 10 to 13 is a change of 3. And the right-hand column is always going to be y. So my change of y over change of x will be 3 over 1, or just 3. Okay. Now, using this, we can say that my hourly rate per number of children, okay, it's y per x. So we will say Mallory's hourly rate increases by $3 per child. So every time she adds a child, she makes it $3 more expensive per hour. Okay, lots of ways you could phrase that. This was the quickest way I could think of. All right. Number 24 and the last one. Misty and Vincent went for a walk. In 15 minutes, they had completed 3 laps around the track. In 25 minutes, they had completed 23 laps. Find the slope and describe the meaning. So, we have to figure out our 2 situations. Okay? 15 minutes, 3 laps. 25 minutes, 23 laps. So, time, first one is 15. That gives us 3 laps. Next one is 25. That gives us 23 laps. That's a big jump, but I think we can do it. So let's go ahead and find our change. From 15 to 25 is plus 10, and that's going to be my change in x. From 3 to 23 is plus 20. That is my change in y. Using the formula, change of y over change of x, we're going to go ahead and put those together. Okay, so it becomes 20 over 10, which we can reduce to 2 over 1, or just 2. Now the meaning here, again, the y per x means that they are doing 2 laps for every 1 minute. So in this case we can say Misty and Vincent completed 2 laps per minute. And then we're done. That's it. So good luck on your test tomorrow. Study this hard. All right. Thank you very much for your attention.